Since we can't buy them, we'll make them ourselves. To protect Pakistanis from being cheated out of marriage, this small workshop, specializing in door locks, hired Master Lao Ba, a master of wing-shaped lock-making techniques, to handcraft a large padlock with a 40-year warranty. First, Master Lao Ba, wearing slippers, poured a can of used engine oil into the oil drum in the oil furnace. A puff of thick smoke rose, and the alchemy furnace began to work. Master Lao Ba began a complete set. The sand casting process is incredibly smooth, and it seems this small workshop is doing quite well. The master uses a magnet to remove the mold and carve out the channels for the copper leaves to flow. Can you tell which part of the padlock this is? Then, Master 8 scoops a spoonful of copper leaves into the rubber column and pours them in. Before it cools completely, he removes the lock body. The copper lock body is now complete and set aside. Take it to the stamping machine. The rabbit head shape is punched out, followed by the connecting hole and keyhole. The two exposed metal plates need to be polished for a good appearance. The front plate in particular is stamped with the master's logo and the slogan 40-year warranty. Then it's time for the master to show off his skills. This type of lock was actually introduced by the British over 100 years ago. With the development of technology, more advanced and convenient locks have been invented. Of course, there are also more advanced and convenient locks than this one. This padlock is more secure. My father, the master, used a large hammer and a small hammer to hand knit this padlock. The internal structure is very simple. If it was also hand knitted by the master, look at the working principle. Master Lao Ba even numbers the lock and key. It's said that there are only dozens of possible combinations for this type of lock cylinder. So even if it looks sturdy, it won't withstand repeated use. If it's used frequently, the possibility of a burglar is still very. Connecting the upper and lower metal plates to the brass lock body seems simple, but it actually requires a lot of skill. It's not just about hammering in the anchors. It also requires various fine-tuning to achieve that unique, silky feel when unlocking. This large, scratch-resistant piece looks incredibly secure, but I'm still a little apprehensive about using it on a door. But I still really want to import some from Lao Ba.